Hello everyone and welcome back to veggieonpennies. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Alexia and I like to share easy, vegan, and cheap recipes to help you live healthy while being frugal. So as you can tell, my hair is a little bit different because I had an extension a little while ago actually, but since I've been on a huge hiatus with my channel, it's the first time you're seeing this. And actually I'm gonna take it out soon, so there's gonna be another hair change. Hopefully the lighting is not too blown out. I'm filming right in front of my window so I can have the best optimal lighting, so hopefully it looks really nice and crisp. So it's about noon right now, and I got up like about 10:30, and then I got ready, put on some makeup, put on some clothes, took a shower. So now, and yeah, fast forward to now, it's about 12. I have not eaten anything yet today. I'm not super hungry though. I did snack pretty late last night. Like I had some oranges late last night around midnight. So I didn't really wake up super hungry. That being said, I'm still gonna go ahead and start making some lunch or some type of food because, you know, girls gotta eat. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna have though. I think I'm like hesitating between coffee and smoothie. I think I'm gonna go with a smoothie because that's gonna be a little bit more filling. And I also have some leftover pumpkin pancakes that I made yesterday, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and have these leftover pumpkin pancakes as well as a like smoothie, maybe like a banana smoothie or something like that. Yeah, I made like this banana and mango smoothie a couple days ago and it was really good. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that again today and have that with some leftover pancakes. So that's it for now, and like I said, it's around 12 and I'll take you around today and show you what I'm eating. And yes, let's go ahead and do that.
Okay with me, okay. Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time.
Smoothie is ready. I made like a banana, mango, and spices smoothie, and I added some seeds for protein. Super thick and beautiful looking. I also added some coconut milk because to make just to go with the whole tropical look. Be right back. Just gonna have some leftover pumpkin pancakes from yesterday. They're not the best. They turned out a little bit like gummy and like not really good, but they're there. So I'm just gonna eat that. I'm also gonna drink my smoothie. It didn't fill up my mason jar completely, so I have about 750 mils right now. So yeah, a bunch of amazing ingredients in there. Like I have ripe bananas, mangoes, almonds, hemp seeds, flax seeds, cinnamon, coconut milk, and yeah, I think that's about it. It's really thick, creamy, and delicious. And I like the spices like of cinnamon. I think it's really nice. I'm also gonna chug my water because I haven't really drank a lot of water so far, so I'm just gonna make sure I top up my water levels. And yeah, almost 1 right now, so this is like my breakfast slash lunch. I'm not super hungry, and my meals are probably gonna be a little bit out of place, but yeah, so I'm just gonna finish eating that and then I'll check in later when I eat something else.
But you said keep them closed and be in the...
Welcome back, guys. It is now almost 6 p.m. It's like 5:45 right now. You can tell it's a lot later because my face is super oily. I need to like blot down my nose and my eyebrows. Yeah, I'm an oily mess right now, but that's besides the point. The point is I just had my dinner, so I forgot to eat. I forgot to film while I was making it or when I was eating it. So right now I am done. My plate is empty, but I can just write down what I ate. So basically I had this. So this is like my brother's plates. here. Really quick stir fry. I added some plant-based sausage that I just cut up with some frozen veggies and also some fresh veggies. I just mixed up the random things I had. So that was dinner with some jasmine rice, and then I just made some donuts here. So you can see they're just chocolate baked donuts. I was really craving just, you know, some chocolate donuts. I've been looking at recipes and I was gonna go ahead and make the fried one because I really wanted like some fried donuts, but then I just gave up because I don't want the house to smell like oil and it's just too much work to like be raising the dough and all that. These only took 30 minutes and only dirtied one bowl, so that's really nice. But yeah, they're just baked chocolate donuts. I was even gonna glaze them, but then I was too lazy for that, so we're just gonna eat them plain. They're okay, not the best. Yeah, but they're edible, so that's that. So I had two of these. For dessert, and that was about it. Other than that, I think I'm probably just gonna chug on some water. It's already 6. I don't think I might gonna have another meal today, so really only had 2 meals today, like this morning and right now. But you know, some days are like that. You can't always have your 3 meals every day, so today was one of those days. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna check my water. I'm probably gonna go upstairs and work on some stuff on my laptop, and I might have a few snacks later, maybe some fruit or some like applesauce or something. We'll see how I feel, but I'll update you if I do eat something else. And yeah, that's that. And I'm just gonna go blot my face and take away some of that greasy mess, and I'll check in with you later if I do eat something else.
I guess I never loved